I'm no longer married, I'm divorced. Also, I came out as gay. Hi, I have a girlfriend now. I think I'm just done trying to prove something.
And it makes you jostle.
Skate park couple. Hi, I am back. I am gonna start making videos again. I feel like I needed to film a little intro though because there are some things I need to get out of the way first. If you're confused or you're nosy, hi, my name is Mo. I made videos on this channel and another channel, probably like 3 other channels from 2010 to like 2019, 2018 maybe. And then I stopped for a really long time. It's been 6 or 7 years since I've made any YouTube videos, but I've decided that I want to come back and start making videos again. There are people screaming outside of my apartment, so I am so sorry. Some life updates that will be probably good for the people who used to watch me, or for you if you would like to go back and look at my old videos for whatever reason and you have questions, you are confusion. Last I left my channel, I was either engaged or just married. I cannot remember. I am no longer married, I'm divorced. Also, I came out as gay. Hi, I have a girlfriend now. I did Twitch in between for a little bit. Don't really do Twitch anymore, but I do game. I also skate. A lot of my content is probably going to be about gaming and skating moving forward. So if that's not your thing, I understand. You are welcome to unsubscribe. I feel like that's really it. Videos moving forward will be all vlog style. I don't want to do any sit down videos. I just do not have the capacity for that. And if you are really into long form content, then you are in for a treat because these are probably going to be really rambly and really long. And they're going to be a couple of days of me skating and just like talking and going about my life, tracking my 2025 bingo card, which has a lot of skate goals that I want to complete this year. And then maybe some gaming here and there. Thinking about doing some let's play content because I do kind of miss Twitch, but I also don't like being live. So yeah, hi, hello. Let's continue on to the vlog. Today's Saturday and we're doing all of the skate things currently because you needed to fix your wheels because I think the bearings were installed crooked. That was my fault. And then, well, to be fair, we did it at the skate park. And then on Sunday for the quad meet, they're taking donations. So I'm trying to go through all of my skate stuff and figure out what I'm donating. I think this is going to be the donation bag. I'm going to donate some wheels. I think I'm donating this entire setup. Maybe switching out the wheels. And then we've got some skateboard stuff to donate as well. So we're just trying to go through, or I'm just trying to go through and look at all my skate stuff and see what I can donate. That don't sound good. Is that one crooked?
It has to be. But I don't know how. How do you take it off?
So you're going to take the wheel, put it on the very edge of the truck, and then use it.
Is it average?
Yeah.
Oh.
No. Angle. So like here. Let me give you an example. Oh, there you go. You got it. Anastasia's just left to go hang out with their parents. And we finished up the skate stuff. I've got a bag now full of all the stuff I'm going to donate. So I'm just going to show you guys what I've decided to donate. First and foremost, some Lisa Simpson skates. I mounted these my first year skating, thinking that I would really like them because they were purple. I really, really wanted purple skates. And the only Vans I could find at the time were the Lisa Simpson Vans. I ended up really not liking them just because they're not the skate highs. If you know anything about Vans, where are my other ones? Oh, right here. There are skate highs and then skate highs, and the skate highs are the ones that you want to skate in because they're more comfy, there's more cushioning, there's more, they're like more durable supposedly. I just like the way that they feel on my feet better. Usually you can tell which ones are the skate highs because they say like pros on the tongue, or they have like a little checkered flag over here usually. These ones are just the regular ones. Oh, no, don't put that in there because I don't want to donate that. I thought I was gonna donate both of these, to be honest, but I am super attached to these skates. These were the first skates that I like mounted, and the first skates that I really learned a lot of tricks on. Technically my first pair of skates, like my first pair of skates that I could actually do tricks on were the Moxie Panthers, but as soon as I started learning how to drop in, I was like, I hate these. They feel like I am wearing robot feet on my feet. That doesn't make any sense, but it's like, you know, Transformers and the way the Transformers feet look when they're like in robot form. It felt like I was wearing those feet as my skates, and I just really didn't like them. So I built these and I fell in love with them immediately. This was like what I learned to do the majority of my tricks on. I tried then to build purple skates that I really liked. Did not like the way they feel, so I continued to skate on these until I got the Moxie Lollies, which I don't love, but they allow me to do more advanced tricks. And so I can't go back to these because my skill set has outgrown these, so to speak, but I'm just not ready to let them go. And so I'm gonna hold on to them for a little longer. I'm very nostalgic for these. They're reflective checker. You can't really see them right now, but these kind of lighter looking checker boxes reflect light in nighttime, so they look really cool. I'm going to donate the Lisa Simpson ones though. I swapped out the wheels. That's what you saw me doing earlier. I swapped out the wheels because the Moxie gummies that come on the Panther were originally the wheels that were on these ones, just because I needed to keep them somewhere. And I swapped them out for these ones, which are actually technically the wheels that came with my Slades. I have different Moxie gummy wheels on my Slades right now, but I wanted specifically to keep the ones that came on the Panther because the ones that come on the Panther are slightly smaller than the standard gummy wheel for some reason, and I just felt like keeping them. I've also got a full set of these wheels in here. These are the ones that come with the Barbie Patin skates. I can't remember who I bought these off of or who I got these from, but at the time I really wanted hybrid wheels. I wanted something that was like I could skate at the skate park, but also was a little softer, but not so soft as the gummies. So I ended up getting these. I do have the full set in here. Did not like them for very long though. I eventually got the Moxie Fun Days and I like those a lot better, although I don't super like soft wheels in general. Usually I just use it when I'm like street skating. So I'm donating these wheels. I've got some of the dead stoppers in here. I have not the dead stops. These are the heart stoppers. There's the heart stoppers and the dead stoppers. The heart stoppers are not quite as grippy as the dead stoppers, and these pink ones are the heart stoppers. I do have the dead stoppers in black, and I do use them every now and then. I switch out my toe stops, but I haven't really gone back to using these ones ever, so I figured I would donate them. They're not bad. I just prefer the dead stoppers, but I'm not using these, and I would like to give them to somebody who would use them. Lastly, in here, I've got my wide trucks. These are the Sure Grip wide trucks. Currently on my setup, I have the XOXO trucks. Those ones are also wide, but they sit a lot lower than the Sure Grip Park Series wide trucks do. Last thing I'm gonna donate this entire setup. I just don't think that I'm ever gonna skateboard. I held on to this for a really long time because I was like, well, what if I want to start skateboarding again? I do not enjoy skateboarding. I want to really, really, really badly. I think it's so cool, but I get so hurt, like so much more hurt doing skateboarding than I do when I roller skate. And that's always been such a mental block for me. I've never been able to get past it. But I kept my skateboard thinking that one of these days I'll get back to it. And I kept telling myself that I would get back to it. Like that this is something that I'm going to get back to. And then I've kind of been thinking, I don't want to put that pressure on myself, you know. I don't want to keep this just because I feel like I have to. And I think a lot of my relationship with skateboarding is really strange because there was a period of time where I felt like I had to skateboard. There was a period of time where I felt like I wasn't cool enough or good enough just being a roller skater. I felt like the progression was that I had to roller skate and skateboard because skateboarding would get me like the street cred that I needed to be cool with certain people, and I just don't care about that anymore. Learning how to skateboard seemed like something that almost felt like an obligation for me, like I needed to do it to prove something, and I think I'm just done trying to prove something, you know? Like, I really enjoy roller skating and I really want to progress this year in my roller skating and learn like how to do more advanced things. I've held myself back a lot because there was a period of time where I was trying to do both. I was trying to learn how to roller skate and I was trying to learn how to skateboard. Like I was trying to advance my roller skating and being a beginner at the skateboard. And you can't split the time well when you have limited time, if that makes sense. And so I wasn't progressing at either. And now I just really want to progress at roller skating. I want to do more advanced stuff. I've been skating long enough and I feel like I've been holding myself back long enough and I don't want to skateboard anymore, and I'm giving myself permission to be okay with that. So I'm gonna donate the skateboard. Some lucky person in Mexico is gonna get a skateboard, a full skateboard. It's a girl deck with Tensor Maglite trucks and Spitfire wheels. While I am donating that, I am still keeping this one. I'm very attached to my boba deck, my Lizzie Armando boba deck, so I'm gonna keep this one. And I'm just gonna keep this like this so that if I ever do in the future, you know, that whole never say never thing, if I ever want to into future skateboard for whatever reason or just like have fun with it, I have one. Plus Anastasia has some, so it's fine. But I'm gonna donate this setup and you know, this bag of skate stuff. So basically I've got a full skateboard setup and a full roller skate setup basically. The only thing that roller skates are missing are toe stops, but that's easy enough. I guess technically I have toe stops in here also, but however they want to distribute it is fine. I am currently in the car at the skate park waiting for my friends to get here because the skate park is intimidating alone. A, I usually don't like to skate alone in general. B, if there's people in the skate park, it depends. If it's like the skate park that I usually go to, I'll go in alone. I haven't had to go in alone for a really long time though, so I'm just gonna chill here for a second. But yeah, trying to get some skating in today. I'm back home now. Had a very long session with my friends. We went to 2 skate parks. First the outdoor one and then the indoor one because it got cold and we wanted to keep skating. Learned a lot of new things today, so I'm really excited. I did a tabernacle for the first time. I also did a box stall and a box slide. Not very well, but I did the box slide, so I'm going to keep on working on that box slide. My goal this year is to get a bunch of new tricks. I haven't worked out how many, but I know there are at least like 5 of them, I think, on my bingo card for 2025. So that's kind of my goal for the year, is just to like really elevate my skating. Tomorrow is the quad meet where we are going to donate a bunch of stuff for skaters in Mexico. I'm really excited to keep this momentum up and just like keep learning new things. What else did I learn tonight? I feel like there are a few things I learned tonight. I can't remember. I feel like I should do a video that's like all the tricks I know how to do, and then that way at the end of the year I can like compare how many tricks that I learned, you know? But yeah. Tomorrow is the quad meet. Do you like the sign that I made? Well, me and Celeste made it. I did the really stupid, funky looking letters. And
Oh, hi, girlfriend.
well, I'm accidentally recording. I might as well get Hobie.
I didn't take the best video.
Okay, I just have like wide shot video.
Bye-bye.
Skateboard, Hobie.
Skateboard club.
Top soon. I think it's a regular thing. I don't need this anymore.
Get back on!
Go back in.
Oh my god.
And you stayed. I'm so tired.
Celebratory, we landed our tricks. We deserve canes. Canes. Post skate canes? Yes. Back home now. The quad meet was a success. A lot of people showed up. Like way more people than I thought was gonna show up showed up. It was a lot of fun. I finally hit my 50/50s. Literally the last trick that I did in the skate park was a 50/50 after I was like exhausted and I couldn't. But I did. And then we went and got canes. I didn't do a good job at taking videos today, I feel like, because there were a lot of people and I always feel weird filming around other people because I don't necessarily want to have to go around and ask every single person if they are okay with me filming. Like if it's a smaller group of people, then it's okay, it's a little easier, but when there's a lot of people, that's just like too much, and then I get overwhelmed, and there's a lot going on anyways. Everyone's like skating at the same time. I think that ends this vlog. I'm sure this thing's already gonna be like half an hour long. Hooray, first video back.